a girl like you is impossible to find.
Wow! Palakpakan naman natin ang kanyang pagpaplay. Talagang pinag-isipan. Kinakabahan pa siya pag-deliver niyan. Alright? So, Sir Prince, take the courage to dance with our debutant. As Prince dances our debutant, may we call on Mr. John Verdugo to give the next rose. Palakpakan naman natin siya. Alright.
Izel, alam mo bang mahina imagination ko? Kasi hindi ko may imagine buhay ko kung wala ka.
Wow! Mukhang madami-daming suitor to para kay Izel.
I tell her every day. Yeah, I know. When I compliment her, she won't believe me.
Mr. Angelo Soliman. Palakpakan naman natin si Mr. Angelo Soliman. Alright, ayan yung kuya niya. Walang pick-up line. Okay. Picture.
And when you smile, the whole world stops and stands for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing.
Grandfather ng ating debutant. For sure, si Sir meron yan dinihan ng pick-up line. Sir, meron? May pick-up line?
Pati ba ako kasali rito? Bulaklak ka ba? Kasi ang ganda-ganda mo ngayon.
Wow! Palakpakan naman natin! On the spot yan, si Belonio.
When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and
Alright, and this time, let's give this moment sa pinakamahalagang tao at pinakamahalagang lalaki sa buhay ng ating debutant. Bigyan natin ng malakas na palakpakan. Gusto ko sabay-sabay. Mas malakas na palakpakan for the father of our debutant. That will be Mr. Angelito Soliman. Sir, do you have a pick-up line? Okay.
Actually, wala. Pero meron na ako naisip na isang, siguro, pwede na rin ito. Teka nga, Bunso, masaya ka ba ngayon? Kung mas masaya ka, mas masaya ako. Sa'yo ngayon.
Okay, thank you for that.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would me high and dance with my mother.
Alright, muli palakpakan natin Mr. Angelito Soliman, the father of our debutant. And as I would like to invite everyone who dances with our princess for tonight. Alright, join us here in front as you have your group picture. 1, 2, 3, smile! Smile, sa pa. 1, 2, 3, smile! Walkie! Walkie! Okay, thank you so much, boys. Gentlemen, thank you so much.
Time goes faster, everything is changing now. We may go to different paths that we chose. You and I'll be forever friends, that's for sure. There are discerning for both of us. Our memories will be with me as the journey without Tomorrow's dreams I'd rather see now that I know what life will be. It's not the end of our dreams, but it's the start of our reality. Of our reality. Thank you. Actually, yung song po na yun, si Crisel po yung gumawa.
Actually, kami dalawa po yung gumawa ng song and medyo impromptu kasi hindi po niya, dapat po kasi video presentation kaso ayaw po gumana. So, professional siya, sing it live. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much for that, Manny Malaban. Muli bigyan natin siya ng malakas na palakpakan for her wonderful song number. And this time naman, we'll move on to the last part ng ating main program, and that will be our 18 candles. So, kindly prepare for all the participants sa ating 18 candles. And of course, I would like to invite Crisel to please stand up. Alright. As stated, we're all set. So we'll start our 18 candles. And we'll start with the first one. We have Miss Christine May Soliman. Palakpakan naman po natin Miss Christine May Soliman for the first candle. Okay, sila yung magla-light ng candle. And as they give their message and wishes para sa ating debutant. Okay, may we have Miss Christine. Go.
Hi, happy 18th birthday. Message ko sa'yo. Sana wala ka isip bata. Kahit lagi tayong nag-aaway, hindi naman matagal. Kasi alam ko naman mahal na mahal kita. Ikaw na yung president ko. Ikaw na yung... Hindi parang kapatid ko. Gusto na nasa akin. Sa'yo, sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. Kasi baka promise natin, sana matupad. Happy 18th birthday.
Palakpakan naman natin Miss Christine May Soliman. Very emotional. Alright, and we have next is Miss Pauline Benitez.
Paano niya makahawak? Ano tayo? Ay, ka makahawak.
Hello, ate.
Ate, dapat ka ate.
Happy 18th birthday talaga. Wala. Parang dati lang sabay tayo naliligaw. Message ko sa'yo, sana magkaroon ka ng common sense and kasi minsan, kahit nag-joke lang kami, ikaw pa rin yung slowpoke sa amin. Kahit obvious na yung joke, hindi ka pa rin tumatawa. Then, sana matupad mo yung mga wishes mo and sana matapos mo yung accountancy mo. Happy birthday, love you!
Okay, bigyan natin malakas ng palakpakan Miss Pauline Benitez once again. And this time for the third candle, we have Miss Camille Ampangan. Palakpakan naman natin siya for giving the third candle. Lapit na tayo ng konti.
Happy birthday!
Actually, may nalagay akong nakatap sa'yo eh. Kasi ako una nakapasa nung post mo eh. Sana maging habay. Knock knock. Crisel Soliman. Just Crisel Soliman, just a little bit's enough. Just a second when I've broken this bed. And we can learn to live again. Happy birthday. Sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo at saka sana hindi matapos yung pagkakaibigan natin. At saka sana hindi mo makalimutan yung mga naipayo ko sa'yo noon. Kahit hindi ako naging magandang NM ko sa'yo. Kasi alam mo na. At saka ako po kitang hinina nga. Yun, happy birthday.
Alright, thank you so much, Camille. And next time we have Miss Gisette and Pablo. Palakpakan naman natin siya. For the...
Winder Vlog. Oo, sabi. Pero ano, I'm happy that you reached this far. Na naging ate kita, na naging best friend kita. Siyempre, naging cousin mo lang kita. Tapos, ano pa ba? Wala ko sasabihin, pero... Dito. Kinakabahan ako. Ano pa ba?
Your wish.
I wish you all the greatest and be who you can possibly be. Happy 18th birthday, ate, and Timodo. Sige, mag-knock-knock na ako. Tiger Leon, pating kambing. Kailan mo ba mapapansin ang ating lihim? Tiger Leon, pating kambing, di mo pa rin pansin.
Palakpakan naman natin ang kanyang na.
Happy birthday, love you!
Alright, thank you so much for that. Just palakpakan naman natin our next Miss Lira Ruar.
Happy birthday, Ate Isel. Thank you sa pagiging best friend mo sa akin, tsaka thoughtful na kasi kahit na lagi kita inaaway nung nasa Angelico Patay. Thank you sa pagiging mabait mo, tsaka sa pagiging nakakatawa mo. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo sana mas maging responsable ka pang estudyante, tsaka sana lahat ng gagawin mo, i-glorify mo si God para lagi kang magiging masaya, tsaka hindi ka malulungkot kahit napakalagi mong problema sa school, tsaka sa love life, dahil wala ka pang love life. Yun, wish ko magkaroon yan love life. Yun lang, tsaka God bless, tsaka I love you. Mahal na mahal kita, tingnan mo nag-dress ako. First time ito, nag-dress ako.
Okay. Palakpakan naman natin Miss Lira Ruar for the message and wish for our debutant. And this time we have Miss Lovely Dayan Pescado.
Kayang mati, nasisilangan. Wish you stay sana kasi stay with us. Thank you.
Alright, once again, bigyan naman ako sa palakpakan Lovely Dayan Pescado. And this time, may we have Miss Lawrence Tumaluan. Malakas na palakpakan for Miss Lawrence.
Lasagna. Coca-Cola lasagna ang iyong minahal.
Palakpakan naman natin guys yung Kakulang Joe. Thank you so much for that, Miss Lawrence. And this time, may we have Miss Iza Tungpalan for the next candle. Alright, kindly get your candle there to the side before your message and wishes.
Hi, Zen. Thank you sa lahat. Sorry din sa mga short topic ko. Grabe na yan sa message niya. Sana wag ako magbabago. Tsaka, same pretty. Hindi kayo ng mami mo. Tsaka stay sexy. Hindi kayo ng mami mo. Sorry kung pinakabakat ako kasi feeling ko na hindi ako pupunta. Matay siya. Yan, knock knock. Bye na. It's silent to apologize. It's silent.
Ayun, no? Standing ovation dahil sa kanyang knock-knock joke. Alright, thank you so much, Miss Iza Tungpalan. And we have next is Miss Pauline Ampangan. Palakpakan naman natin, Miss Pauline, for the next candle.
Tingin ka na sa mukha ko na ito. Tingin sa press.
Thank you.
Villegas for the next candle. Palakpakan naman natin Miss Ia Villegas. Para kung konti na lang pumapalakpak. Wala na yung iba.
Ayun. Gets on. Ayun, happy birthday. Yes, ganda mo ngayon. Tapos, ayun, thank you sa mga times na iniiyakan kita ng mga problems ko. Tapos, ayun, yes. Tapos yun lang na. Uno. Ganda si Crush. Gusto naman ang hair ko. Yung compliment na sa hair mo, ang ganda ngayong gabi. And sana mag-fade na ganyan forever and ever.
Okay, dahil hindi ko siya maliligo. Palakpakan naman natin siya for the Knock Knock joke. And this time, we have Miss Cheryl Panihit for the next candle.
Eden, happy Eden birthday. Enjoy the next chapter of their life. Sana nakita pa rin yung ilan. At saka sana always enjoy whatever comes birthday. Kasi lahat kami kahit hindi tayo necessary sana enjoy the Balikin. Adjo. Hi, Adjo Spencer. And this is crazy.
Okay. So, sir, nalagay dyan sa mga joke nila, diba? Palakpakan naman natin siya. Miss Cheryl Panihit for that Knock Knock joke and also the messages and wishes. And this time, we have Miss Grace Tria for the next candle. Alright, palakpakan naman natin, guys. Ayan, wala rin yung mga kamay.
Happy birthday. Una sa lahat, thank you for being a part of my life. Thank you na palagi kang nandyan para pasayahin ako. Lalo na kapag yung sinasabi ko, uwi ka na ba? Gusto mo tambay muna tayo? And you never fail to make me smile and to comfort me. I wish you all the best. Sana maabot mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay mo. I know you can do it. And I wish tumagal pa ang friendship natin. Alam mo naman na lagi ako nandyan para sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Knock knock. Jollibee KFC. If our love is Jollibee, why are you my KFC?
Okay, palakpakan naman natin yung Knock Knock joke. Thank you, Miss Grace Tria. And this time, we have Miss Christine Uson for the next candle. Palakpakan naman natin, Christine Uson.
Happy birthday! I wish na sana stay maliit. And sana yung kapaliwan natin yun. And sana lagi mong isipin na nandito kami. Huwag kang wala. Pilay.
Okay, silent.
Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven.
Alright, palakpakan naman natin yung Knock Knock joke. Thank you. Thanks for that, Christine. Now, this time, we call the next one, and that will be Ivy Esparragosa. Palakpakan naman natin Ivy Esparragosa for the next candle.
Birthday, Auntie. I love you. Well, live your life with the fullest and just don't change yourself because, you know, you're good at singing. And most of all, be your own fun. Knock, knock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got to believe in magic. Tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Palakpakan naman ang ginang knock-knock joke. Thanks for that. And I be joining them at that side. And next we'll be having Miss Charmel Aquavera. Okay, bigyan naman natin siya ng lakas pagbalakpakan as she goes and she's the 50th candle for our debutants.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for being a good friend. And nakakalawa lang kasi nung high school, kami tayo. Tapos kinakay din super school, college, remember our busy days. Sobrang kabaluan lang yun. And yung college, every time may problem ako sa chika, punta lang ako sa room niyo, tapos ready ka na mag-take para sa problems ko, ganun. For keeping my secret and yung mga advices. Thank you so much. Andito lang ako lagi and I wish you all the best and back sa EMB, kaya mo yan. Dapat kasi, ayun, so, ayun, natawa ka ha. Mirror. I got the eye of the tiger, fire, dancing through the fire, 'cause I am a chef, and you're gonna hear me roar. Ay! Pinerdo ko pa sa damit ko.
Okay, palakpakan naman natin Miss Charmel Aquavera for the wonderful knock-knock joke and a message of wishes for our debutants. And this time we have Miss Katie Arieta. Palakpakan naman natin siya for giving our 17th candle that will be